Hello friends, welcome to AgriLearner App Team YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the agriculture important MCQ part 3rd. It is very important for your IBPS AFO examination, NABARD examination, RRB SO examination, ICR examination, BHU examination and all other agriculture examination. All the question that we have covered in this session has been asked in previous agriculture examination. So listen all the question very carefully. Now we will start it. You can see we have completed the 3 quiz. We have target to complete the at least 50 plus quiz before the this year mains examination, because as previous year result we are seeing that quiz are very much important for the mains examination. So if you want to join the quiz, you can join the IBPS AFO mains course. Through this you can join our quiz session and you will also get notes, mock test and all the things. I will not waste your lot of time. Now come to the first question of this session. As always, the first question is for you. Some improved breed of the cattle in India that are Karen Swiss and Karen Fries. These breeds are released from, options are National Dairy Research Institute, National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resource, Project Directorate on Cattle, Indian Veterinary Research Institute, or none of the above. Comment your answer. And now come to the first important question of this session. First important question is from current affair. The question is, the Coffee Board of the Government of India organized India, Brazil, South Africa Coffee Festival 2021, and the theme of the festival for 2020 was the quintessence of jungle, reinforcing, rebuilding and reigniting the global coffee and hospitality community. Third option is coffee, country and collaboration. Fourth option is express yourself with coffee, and fifth option is none of the above. The correct answer will be the coffee, country and collaboration. It is the correct theme of the festival in 2021. Now come to the next important question. Another important question is, strengthening is the method utilized for quick propagation of, options are banana, potato, rose, tea or tobacco. What will be the correct answer? The correct answer will be the rose. Now I will explain this. Understand it. Strengthening is the method for the quick propagation of the rose. Cutting of soft tender wood and grafting is performed in one action. In Dutch word, strengthening means stem. It is the combination of second means to strike the cutting and inter means to graft. Okay, this is the type of grafting, and so it is done in the rose. Keep in your mind. Okay, this is important question. Now come to the next question. Another important question is, according to the ICMR, recommended per day requirement of milk for the healthy human in India is 100 ml, 150 ml, 200 ml, 220 ml or 300 ml. What will be the correct answer? The correct answer will be the 300 ml. Keep in the mind. Okay, now come to the next important question of this session. Another important question is, rice seed are broadcasted in a plowed field immediately after onset of monsoon. After 30 to 45 days, when sufficient water is impounded in the field are plowed in the standing crop. This is called depog method, retaining method, bushing, pegging or drilling. What will be the correct answer? The correct answer will be the bushing. Now understand what is bushing. In general, under the broadcasting Bessie method, rice seed are broadcasted in the plot field immediately after the onset of monsoon. After about 30 to 45 days, when sufficient water is impounded in the field are plowed in the standing crop. This is called Bessie or bushing, generally followed in Odisha, Bihar, Chhattisgarh and few northeastern states. This is the correct explanation of the question. So remember this term bushing. Okay, now come to the next important question. Another important question is, which of the following statements are correct? Okay, now listen each of the statement very carefully. First statement is ginning. Ginning is the process of removal of seed and debris from the cotton. Yes, it is correct. Second one is nipping. Nipping is the special cultivation practices of plucking the apical bud of the crop at about 30 to 40 days after sowing in ground. Yes, it is also correct. Third one is blanching. Blanching is the simple practices of blending large outer leaf over around the developing cauliflower head to prevent them from yellowing. Yes, it is also correct. And D option is propping. Propping is the practice of supporting the plant with heavy branches in banana. Yes, it is also correct. means E will be the correct answer, all of the above. Now come to the next important question. Another important question is, which of the following ICAR institute had developed breeding and seed technology of grey mullet, that is also called Mandavi, under controlled environmental condition? Okay, they are asking about the name of the institute which have developed the breeding and seed production technology of grey mullet. Now come to the options. Options are Central Institute of Fishery, Cochin; Central Institute of Blackish Water, that is in Chennai; Central Institute of Freshwater Aquaculture, that is in Bhubaneswar; Central Marine Fishery Research Institute, that is in Kochi; Central Inland Fishery Research Institute, that is in Bagpur. Okay, now you can remember all the name of the institute and where they are located. These all are important. And now come to the answer. The answer will be the Central Institute of Blackish Water Aquaculture, that is Chennai, has developed the breeding and seed technology of grey mullet, that is also called Mandavi. Okay, now come to the next important question. It is very much important. Another important question is, the ammonia concentration in poultry house should not exceed. The options are 10 ppm, 50 ppm, 35 ppm, 25 ppm or 100 ppm. The correct answer will be the 25 ppm. The correct concentration in the poultry house of ammonia is 25 ppm. Now come to the next important question of this series. Another important question is, in India, beekeeping was introduced in which year? The options are 1851, 1861, 1882, 1902 or 1940. What will be the correct answer? The correct answer will be the 1882. In 1882, beekeeping was introduced in India and the commercial beekeeping has started. Now come to the next important question. This is the last question and very important question. The question is, Nobel Prize winner for the discovery method of bee dance. Okay, what is bee dance? That is interpersonal communication in the honey bee. What was the name of the scientist who discovered this? Aristotle, M.S. Swaminathan, Carl von Frisch, Annie Borlaug. What will be the correct answer? Everyone knows that is Carl von Frisch. It is the correct answer of this question. If you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe it as soon as possible. You will get this PDF in our WhatsApp group and in our Telegram channel. You can join it. Okay, thank you so much. If you have not subscribed, again I am saying subscribe it. Thank you.